नमस्ते पंडित फकीर वीरेंद्र जी।
ओम शांति आश्रम सत्य बाबू आपका स्वागत है. दिस इज सत्यनारायण ध्यान केंद्र.
Why you say India?
No, I'm not
as
saying
the
this is
greatest-
truth. This is truth.
It is the greatest culture.
Greatest
in the world.
civilization on the face of
This
earth is
world.
India. Oh, my friends, from all the George Washington land to every European and continental of South Asia and all these kind of Asian and African continent, listen. India has been the land of sages and saints. They gave you the philosophy of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. They gave you the philosophy of Atma Sarvbhutesu. They gave you the philosophy of Sarvabhavantu Sukhina. No land tells this. Every land says, conquered, British conquered whole earth. America says, Donald Trump, I am the strongest. Xi Jinping says, capture everything. Zhong said, I will kill everybody. All are battle, fighting like a cattle. They are fighting battle like a cattle means irresponsible. No knowledge, no understanding of truth. India is a land of Buddha. India is a land of sages and saints. And Buddha didn't tell anything new. This is the story of all the sages and saints. They don't want war. That's why India, being the strongest, also never invaded any land. It sent the message of peace, love, affection to every part of the world, Ashoka the Great. One day, the great film script writer, lyrics writer, is a fanatic Muslim. Nasiruddin Shah is a fanatic Muslim. Javed Akhtar is a fanatic Muslim. He thinks India is a land where Muslims are not respected. India is a land where RSS and BJP is against Muslims. So he went to Bajpayee, being a great lyric writer, script writer, husband of Saman Azmi. He met Bajpayee. He writes some article also. He says, Bajpayee ji, our constitution says India is a secular country, but your philosophy of RSS and your philosophy of BJP is telling India is not a secular country. India should be Hindu country. And Bajpayee said, Akhtar, Javed Akhtar, listen. It is not BJP. It is not RSS. India is original secular because this is because of Hinduism. Hinduism says love, affection for everyone, all are equal. In Hinduism, there is no caste, there is no creed, there is no race, there is no religion, all are equal. All are equal, created in the eyes of Lord. This is the philosophy of India. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam says this. Tell me, sir,
Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam.
what is the meaning of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam?
The whole
All are one family.
Yes.
All are one.
Yes.
Sarve bhavantu sukhina.
Everybody,
All have to be happy.
everybody should
And
have.
all includes not only mankind,
All
birds,
birds
beasts,
and
animals,
beasts.
plants and humans.
Yes.
Atma
Atma
Sarvut.
Sarvabhuteshu.
No religion is teaching this. What Islam is saying? All are kafir who don't follow your philosophy. Kill them, murder them, conquer them, everyone. That's why Iran says massacre, murder, kill. This is taught by these kind of teachers, preachers. India, nobody taught. And I tell you, I experienced this when I was a child. Hey, Babu, oh Balakrishna. I say I have no religion. Yes, true. But I have the truth of Hindu religion. I am the greatest Hindu because I am Vivekananda, I am Buddha, I know only truth. And truth is help others at the cost of yours. Love others at the cost of your suffering. Let everyone be happy, but you become unhappy for others. This is my spiritual realization when I was 5-year-old kid. I was sent to win battles. I used to deliberately lose. Because I think if I win, other will feel unhappy. My daughter got this temperament. She don't like to play matches because she thinks if I defeat her, she will feel unhappy. That is Hinduism. We don't want to beat others. We don't want to hurt others. We don't want to harm others. We want to harm ourselves. Today also I tell you, whether I live or not, the world should live. I am the ordinary insect, but the world should know because they are more in numbers. More people should be happy. And include birds with animal plants. The world should be happy. And one great song came in India. खुश रहना देश के वासी, अब हम तो सफर करते, दैट इज द हिंदुइज्म, दैट इज स्पिरिचुअलिटी ऑफ हिंदुइज्म। हम रहे, ये दुनिया रहे, ये देश रहे, सब खुशहाल हो।